welcome to you all. I can see at least one of my constituents over there from Oadby. Those of you who live in or near Leicester, look, room is full of them, Fabian. Welcome here, and can I just take on the point that the gentleman over there made? Yes, of course you can count yourselves a British Sikh now and tomorrow and the day after, and I hope for the rest of your life. And I would say, and I say this with some diffidence, but I think it is fair to say that only in this country would a Prime Minister have responded so quickly and ordered a high-level investigation into the facts which were not known to him, were not known to any other member of the government, and certainly weren't known to me and probably to other members of Parliament who have spoken to you today, but have been revealed as a consequence of or at least the allegations have been revealed as a consequence of what we call the 30-year rule, where government papers are released, confidential government papers are released after 30 years. But as soon as they were released, as soon as this collection of allegations came into the public domain, the Prime Minister said there must be an inquiry. So, along with all of you, I want to know the facts, I want to know where the truth lies, I want to know who is responsible for what, who told who to do what, and what consequence those discussions, those orders, those communications between the then British government and the then Indian government may have had. But as others have said earlier today, you should have no fear whatsoever that this will not be a full inquiry, and that the conclusions of that inquiry will be made public. So all of us, whether we are of the Sikh faith and culture, whether we are Punjabis or whether we are British in any other sense, we will all know the facts, and we can all then comment upon those facts and reach conclusions, both political and social, and form our opinions based upon those facts. You and I share not only a great desire to see the democracy of this country function. The fact that you've come here so quickly is a tribute to you, Fabian, if I may say so, but also to you who've made the trouble to come long distances, not just from Leicestershire, but also from Leeds and from other parts of the country. It's a tribute to you all that you have come here and come here so quickly to make your views known. That is the ability of every citizen, of whatever race, creed or colour, to come and lobby your Member of Parliament in Parliament. And you have done that. And the fact that we are here, irrespective of party, is, I think, an indication of the way the system works. And it will work, and you will see it to work. I don't want to make a party political point, because this is not an occasion